I have made two pictures. Okay. So now first read this. What is written here? Read the spelling. Can you tell me? Okay. What does village mean? Acha, now I have made two pictures. Okay. Which of the pictures shows the village? Which one? This one. And this? Very good. What? City. Very good. Clap for her. City. This is village. This is a picture of village. And this is city. Very good. What is the name of your city? Your city. Shabash. The name of your city is Lucknow. Okay. So today we will talk about a village. Okay. We will talk about a village. Okay. So I'll put a picture here. Okay, so when you talk about a village, what is there that you find only in village, not in city? There is one thing which there are many things, but which is the main thing which you can find in village but not in city? क्या चीज जो village में मिलती है city में नहीं मिलती है? What do you see? Anything you know? क्या? What? Yes? What do you see? कोई एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपको विलेज में दिख सकती है पर सिटी में नहीं दिखती है? गाय you can see in city also. Something just goat. नहीं, not animal. That is not animal. Think about something which you find only in village, not in city. When you go, have you been to a village? कहीं कभी गए हो village? Have you gone to village? What do you see there? Do you see big buildings? Huge buildings? What do you see? Huts, small houses, and what else do you see? Green. What do you see? Grass. Okay, fine. But what do you see exactly? What do the people who live in village? What do they do mainly? What do they do? ज़्यादातर क्या करते हैं? What do they do? Yes? What? Kisan. Very good. Clap for her. Kisan. What does Kisan means? Farmer. Very good. And where does the farmer work? Where does he work? But what is that called? What is that called? Where does he go to work? काम करने कहाँ जाता है? Where does खेत? So what is that खेत called? Field. What is खेत called? Field. Okay? अच्छा. So now first just look at this picture and this is a scene of village. Right? Now we will talk. What all things do you see here? What is this? Hut. What are these? What are women? Very good. Women. One woman, many women. Say women. Loudly. Women. Okay. What is this? Well. Very good. Cow. Hen. Baby hen. Chick. Very good. Clap for her. Chick. Okay. Then what is this? No, beta, this is not dog. Goat. Say goat. Okay. And what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Is it a car? Is it a car? Bus? Then what is this? Tell me in Hindi, what is this? Belgadi, or you can say cart. Cart. C-A-R-T. Cart. Okay. Now, what is this? School. Very good. School. And who is he? Teacher. Very good. And who are these? Children. Or those who study, they are called students. What are they called? Student. Like I am teacher and you all are students. Very good. Then what is this? Shabash. Charpai is called cot. Cot. Acha. And what is this? Hand pump. Very good. Acha. What is this? Shabash. Tractor. Very good. Clap for her. Tractor. Okay. And who are these? These are boys or girls? Boys. What are they doing? Playing. They are? Say they are playing. They are playing. They are? No, they are not fighting. They are playing. Okay. So again, let's revise the words. Okay. What is this? Hut. Women. Well. Cow. Hen. Chick. Shabash. Goat. Boys. Cart. What is it? Cart. Yes. It is called cart. Acha, I will write. Okay. Now one of you come. Come here. Come here. Quickly come. Show me. Tell me the words. I'll use this. And I'll write the words. All of you say whichever picture she is showing. Tell and I'll write. Hut. Okay. Then women. Okay. Then well. Loudly. Okay. Cow. Okay. And wait. Check. Slowly. Goat. Then boys. Cart. Okay, very good. Cart. Just a moment, beta. No, what is that? Look at where. Just which picture is she showing? What is that? Cot. What is that? Cot. Then tractor. Teacher. Wait. Teacher. Then come this side, beta. Let me write here. Students. Okay. Just a moment. Students. Yeah. What next? Hand pump. Okay. Show where is hand pump. Hand pump. Okay. So, yes, school. Okay, very good. Tree. Okay. Trees. Yes. Grass. Now see. Yes. What is this? Remember, where does the farmer work? Field. Shabash. This is field. Okay, thank you. Field. Okay. So we have learned so many new words on it from this. Now what is this? Blackboard. What is the teacher doing? What is he doing? क्या कर रहा है? What? नहीं. पढ़ा रहा है कि English? Teaching. The teacher is teaching. Say. The teacher is teaching. Say. Very good. The boys are playing. Shabash. Again. The boys are and there is one small animal here. Donkey. Okay. So now I'll tell you a story. Okay. Now suppose. Okay. Let me rub this. And we will give a name to this village. Okay? We will give a name to this village. The way we have got a name, our city has got a name. Yes? What is the name of your city? What is the name of your city? Say loudly. Okay. So the name of this village is Shantipur. What is the name of the village? Shantipur. Okay. And who is he? Farmer. And his name is Rahim. What is his name? So what is Rahim? Rahim is a farmer. Okay. Now he lives in this village. What is the name of the village? What is the name of the village? Shantipur. What is the name of the farmer? Okay. So he lives in this village. And every morning. Now what is this? Sun. And when do you see the sun? At night or in the morning?
Morning.
So every morning Rahim goes to his field to work. Right? Every morning Rahim goes to the field to work. And what has he got in his hand? When the farmer goes to work, what does he hull? That is called plough. What is that? Plough. Okay? And he goes to his village, his field with his plough. Now what has he got? Who are with Rahim? Are they cow or what? गाय लेके जाते हैं कि बैल? What is बैल called? Bullocks. What are they? Bullocks. Right? So he takes his bullocks to the field to work. And this Shantipur village has got a big well. Okay? What is the name of the village? Who is Rahim? Rahim is a farmer. Okay. Where does he go to work? Field. Very good. What time does he go? In the morning. And what does he take with him? What does he take with him? Plough. And who are with Rahim? His bullocks. His bullocks are with him. And Shantipur village has got a big well. What is well? What do you find in well? Pani. Okay, very good. So now after this we had spoken about this village. Now we will talk about a farm. Okay. Okay, so this is a farm. Can somebody please come and help me hold this, beta? Come. Shabash. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Now this is a farm. What is this? This is a farm. Okay. Now what do you see in this farm? What are these?
Animals.
Very good. These are animals. So this is an animal farm. Okay. And how many people do you see? 2 children and 1 father. Okay. This is a boy. His name is Raju. And this is a girl whose name is Neha. And he is their father. Raju, Neha and their father. Okay. So now we'll do one thing. I want 3 children. Come. Who'll speak? Come quickly, come. Come. 3. I want 3 only. Come. So, she is Neha. Okay. And he is Raju. Okay. And he is the farmer. Okay. Who is he? He is the farmer. Chalo. Now stand here. Now say, hello, I am Neha. Say, tell everyone. I am Neha.
I am Neha. I am Raju.
Very good.
I am
their father.
There are
No. I am
father.
देर मैं इनका फादर हूँ. THEIR. देर माने THEIR. देर माने उनका. Whose father are you? You are father of Neha and Raju. So say I am their father.
I am their father.
Isn't it? I am
I am
their
their
father.
father.
Very good. Now say again. I am Neha.
I am Neha. I am Raju.
I am
their
their father.
father.
Shabash. Acha, now stay there. Now Raju, now can you see Raju? Can you see so many animals there? Stand on side. Raju, okay, now ask about these two. Okay, so say what is that? You ask your father, what is that? Say, point out, say what is that? What does that mean? नहीं, what is that का क्या मतलब है? ये क्या है? What is that? See, all of you say, what is that? नहीं, I want repeat. Say it. What is that?
What is that?
Shabash. Now Raju, you ask your father, what is that?
This is
नहीं, you ask him, what is that? पूछो.
what is
He
the
says, show it. What is that?
what is the
नहीं, that.
what is
That. All of you show that. Show. All of you show. दिखाओ that.
that
This. Say this. That.
that
Now say, what is that?
what is that
That. Now father, what will you say? What is the color of the hen? Acha, what is this? You tell me. What is this? What are these two? Hen and? This is hen. And this is? Nahi? Shabash. Very good. Clap for her. Very good. Hen. Say hen. Say का मतलब क्या होता है? बोलो. Hen. Cock. Now, ask what is that?
what is that
That is a red hen. Now come and show.
that is the
Side, beta, so that everybody can see. Please stand here. Idhar aao. Yes. Now say that is a red hen.
that is the red
And that is a brown cock.
and
That
that
is
is a and brown cock
a brown
brown
cock.
cock
शाबाश. फिर से पूछो, what is that?
what is that that
शाबाश.
that
That is
that
a red hen. You all say, that is a red hen.
that is a red hen
That is a brown cock.
that is a brown cock
Now say again.
that
हाँ शाबाश. हाँ.
that
Show it.
that is a red
Hen. शाबाश.
that is a brown cock
Very good. Now what does hen give us? Very good. Clap for her. Now see, the hen gives us eggs. See, the hen gives us eggs. Shabash. Again say it. What is that? What is that? That. That. Shabash. Now answer. That is a red hen. Show it. That is a red hen. And that is a brown cock. The hen gives us eggs. The hen gives us eggs. Eggs. Shabash. Very good. Now you ask. Now it's Neha's turn. Neha asks, Father, look. Achha, Neha, you tell me, what is this? What is this? Nahi? Oh, it's not wool. Sheep. What do you call in sheep? Bhed. Bhediya nahi, bhed. This is sheep. So now, Neha, you say, Father, look. I see a sheep. I see a sheep. Shabash. Father, look. I see a sheep. Very good. Now you say, yes, Neha. The sheep What does sheep give us? Very good. Wool. What is wool? Wool. Shabash. Very good. Yes, Neha. The sheep gives us wool. Point out to the sheep. Yeah, very good. Now you all see, what are these? Shabash, cow, and what is this? Goat. So now see the cows and goats. See the cow and goat. See the cow and goat. Shabash. Now Raju, father. What does cow give us? Shabash, very good. The cow gives us milk. Father, the cow gives us. Shabash, पूरा सीधा बोलते. Father, turn this side. Father, the cow gives us milk. Do you love to drink milk? अच्छा लगता है? We love to drink milk. We love to drink milk. Drink milk. All of you drink. Show drink. नहीं, show करो. Drink. Eat. Drink. Okay? अच्छा. Now see. Look. All of you look. What does look mean? All of you look. Look. Okay? अच्छा. Now father. Yes, Raju. Now Neha. Father, look. Now, can you see a black horse? Tell me, show, Neha. Can you see a horse, Neha? Yes. So, jab se father, look, a black horse, and a white ox. White ox. Father, look, a black horse, and a white ox. Ox. Shabash. Now Raju and Neha together. Father, it's fun to see. And do you like to see animals? Do you like to see animals? Yes or no?
Yes.
Loudly.
Yes.
Louder. Zor se.
Yes.
Yes, auntie.
Yes, auntie.
Say, now Raju and Neha together. Say, Father, it's fun to see animals. It's fun to see animals. Okay, very good. Now again we'll start. Very good. Chalo, now start. We'll start with Raju. Raju, what is that? Ask what is that?
What is that?
Not.
That is a hen.
And
That is a brown cock.
now what does hen and cock say? Do they say bhau bhau?
No.
Do they say meow? What do the hen say? What does the hen say? Say loudly? Louder. So when she says that is a red hen, that is a red cock, brown cock, then you all will say kukuruku. Again, we'll start. What is that? Ask.
What is that? What?
Shaba.
That is a red cock.
Hen
The red hen.
and
That is a brown cock.
okay. The hen gives us eggs.
The hen gives us
Eggs. Okay. Now, father, look.
Father, look.
I see a sheep.
I see a sheep.
What does sheep say? नहीं say. What does sheep say? Bhau bhau, meow. Then, arre sheep, kukuruku. Do you remember that poem Baba? Who knows that poem Baba? Say it loudly.
Baba, black sheep, every yes sir, three were good. One for my master, one for my day, one for my little
Lifts down the lid. So what does the very good? What does the sheep say? Shabash. Loudly. Ba. Ba. Okay. Now see father. Father.
Father.
Look. I see a sheep.
I see a sheep. Ba.
Loudly. Ba. 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 Okay. Now father. Yes, Neha.
Yes, Neha.
The sheep gives us wool. The sheep gives us wool. Now say, see the cow and the goat. See, see means see the cow and the goat. See the cow. Cow, what does cow say? Oh, cow mein? Moo. What does cow say? Moo. And goat? Meh. Meh. Okay, now say, look. Yes, Neha. The sheep gives us wool. Sheep gives us wool. Wool. See the cow and the goat. Cow. Loudly, cow. Moo. And goat. Very good, very good. Now Raju, father. Raju, father. The cow gives us milk. We love to drink milk. Drink. All of you drink milk. Chalo. Everyone. Okay, very good. Now, father. Yes, Raju.
Yes, Raju.
Neha, father, look.
Father, look.
A black horse
Horse
and a white ox.
and white ox.
Black horse. What does horse say? Say horse. And ox? Moo. Same way, cow will be little sweeter. Moo. And ox? Moo. Okay, again. Say, father, look.
Father, look.
A black horse.
Black horse and white
Ox. Very good. Horse. Very good. Ox. Oh. Acha, chalo, very good. Now, both of you. Father. Father.
Father,
It's fun to see animals.
the fun to
It's fun means when you like something you say it's fun to see animals. Say, father,
Father,
it's fun to see animals.
fun
Fun to see animals.
to see animals.
Fun means
Acha.
acha, very good. Now, very good. When you see, now all of you, say it together. It's fun to see animals. Say, it's fun to see animals. Very good. Go. Clap for them. So, today we have talked about the village and the farm, right? And what is your homework now? Your homework is to draw pictures. Draw pictures of hen, cock, sheep, cow, ox, horse and goat. So what is your homework? To draw pictures of cock, say cock, sheep, ox, cow, goat. Right? Okay, thank you girls.